and that's about it. It's been a body off
Resto.
Mickey Mouse restoration. I'm
Yeah.
an amateur. Everything was done in the backyard.
Wow.
So
Show's beautiful too. And these motors are really unique too, right? There's no valves.
no, no valves in it. It's a straight six engine. It
Huh.
runs quiet as a mouse.
Yeah.
Uh, the only thing with the car, it does not want to stop too good because there's so many brake adjustments, and
Yeah.
I just got tired of messing with it. So
That's cool.
somebody that's got time to play with it, it's a great little car.
It really is neat. Love the shocks too.
Yeah, right down to the window shade in the back window.
Yeah. Our Model A had that back in the day. So unique. Never seen one of these. And I used to go to Hershey with my dad every year when I was a kid.
Haven't been down there in years.
Right? Me either.
Unfortunately, got rained out again this year.
Did they really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to go there in Carlisle.
We
Every year.
We had quite a few shows around this area, but they've been rained out for 2 weeks in a row.
Right? Let's check out the motor. Can you open it up?
Yeah, I thought you were going to want to. That's why I left the clamps off.
Man, and these shocks are real interesting too.
Yeah,
It's like a spring with
canvas linkage.
canvas linkage. Man, that's a big motor. A lot of torque, I bet. So cool. Straight six.
Straight six. Everything is registered and insured, and the farthest I drove it was around the block.
Very cool. I like how you did the 12-volt upgrade too. Makes a big difference.
Yeah, it took a lot of doing to get a generator to work. The generator is driven off the front of the motor, off the back of the oil pump, believe it or not.
Huh. Wow, new belts and everything. Pretty simple. It's just got little nipples for to lube it up, and
This
this
tank is actually a vacuum fuel pump,
Huh.
which I could never get it to work, so I did install an electric fuel pump
Good.
in the back.
Makes it drivable, you know.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Cool, a Huga horn too. It's an interesting manifold.
Yeah, and it goes over. It goes into a heater on the other side that preheats the water as.
Very cool, man. That's how they did it in the day.
Everything is done myself, right down to the upholstery. So
Beautiful job. I don't think you'll ever see another one of these around. What a jump seat. The tools for the tires.
there's storage behind this. Well, you can't see it now, but there is a little tool tray back there, a wooden tray. It goes all the way across.
Very neat. Man, I love the
I
boss.
think I put too much padding in the seat. It doesn't
Yeah.
want to tilt forward enough.
It's cool. Looks
There's
comfortable.
A lug wrench and the crank for the front.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Vinyl floor. Simpler time then, huh? 27,123 miles. That is neat. Man, as simple as it gets. What's this, for spark control?
If you push it, the horn blows.
Huh.
Oh, I got the battery killed off here. Okay, guy. And if you pull up on it, that's the starter.
Ah,
It's crazy.
really cool. It's a 4-speed manual or 3-speed?
3-speed.
Huh.
3-speed manual.
That's how it was, man.
I seen this sitting, it was in the weeds in Massapequa,
Wow.
and my neighbor told me about it, and I couldn't resist it when I seen it.
Right? Oh, the luggage rack looks like it folds out too. You can get a little more space on there.
Yeah, this fold-down luggage rack.
That's so cool. It's very similar looking to the Model T Tudor.
Yes, I did a Model A Ford, a two-door sedan years ago,
Yeah.
and believe it or not, every show it went to, it took a first place trophy, so.
Huh.
I was hoping to do the same with this, but
Vacuum.
space in it.
Sure, yeah.
Gets beat up more than anything else.
I like that wiper too. Vacuum operated? The wiper?
Yes.
Very neat. All right, let's start it up. I think this thing is only a little over 100 years old.
Yeah, basically.
Isn't that crazy? Not sure. Wow, runs like a top. It's really quiet without the valves. You lose the valve and you lose the camshaft, right? Or you lose the...
It's got a camshaft. There's just no lifters, no
No
push
lifters
rods,
and push rods.
none of that happy stuff. You know?
Huh.
No valve adjustments to worry about.
Wow. My God, that's cool.
Some of the wheels were missing on it when I bought it. When he raised, the wheels to go out, some came from Wisconsin, some from
Wow.
Arizona. And,
That's the brake on the outside or the inside? Is that the emergency brake?
no, that's the one that foot brakes. That's what I'm saying. It's crazy trying to get them to adjust right.
Yeah.
One of the little brakes inside the drum, puts the damn outside.
It's almost like the Rocky Mountain brake on the Model T. Man,
Right,
this is really cool. It's like a piece of history here. Love it. So unique.
100% original, except this over.
And this is the same company that built the Jeep? Willys? Wow.
That's it.
That Jeep won the war, you know. Man, look at that ornament. Gorgeous. That's great.
It's a great conversation.
Oh, God, amazing. People gotta go crazy for this at a car show.
You want to open up the other side?
Yeah, I want to see it. There's the crank hole, like the T.
Yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to be a cover over the hole or not.
I don't think so. Same has the same kind of poles as the T. Oh, a heater box, I see. Oh,
See the generator here, usually
Yeah.
they're mounted on the front filter.
Yeah.
This is gear driven. This is actually the oil pump.
wow, so it works. Wow, right off the distributor too. It's really neat. And this is the heat for the cabin too, then. There's your
Yeah.
adjustment here on this pole.
Yeah, there's a little lever that you pull it, the flap opens up and the gear
Wow.
goes through it.
How many quarts of oil does this thing take?
It's 5.5 foot.
Wow.
Not that much.
Yeah. Oh, neat.
Everything works on the car. Side lights, marker lights,
Huh.
dash lights, got an interior light in the ceiling that works.
Wow. Freaking cool,
The
man.
car was a challenge.
It is.
Never seen one before, never heard of one before.
Me either. I've been selling cars for almost 30 years. And been around.
I couldn't pass it up.
How
I
could
seen
you
it sitting
not?
in a lease.
So neat. How long did it take you to restore it?
About 3 years to get to
The
where the
parts
body
and-
was going back on. And
Wow.
I said everything in the backyard. I've got
Sure.
a 2-car garage back there.
Yeah, I saw that. It's big.
I bought one of those canvas tents,
Yeah.
garages.
Uh-huh.
I set that up inside the garage.
Oh,
That's where I did my
you painting
sandblasting.
and yeah.
I sandblasted the frame, painted it, everything's.
Man, what a
You
cool
won't find
car.
any grease or gum underneath it.
Yeah, it's pretty. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Definitely a unique piece. Give us a call. It's going to be priced right. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Bob.